Hi, Eddie from Rhino Van. Okay, we have some new product that we want to show you. One of our hot sellers is the flares. And what's unique about these flares is that it doesn't have the external lips. So it's got an internal lips and a nice accent outside here that not only looks slick, but also greatly improve the structure. Let me show you what's unique about these flares, how much less labor it's gonna take to install this. Now, being an upfitter, we understand what it takes to install the flares and the amount of work that you have to do after the flare is installed, particularly the internal trimming. So the trimming on these flares is all completed, including a 1/2-inch insulation, all built in. So the insulation is attached to the fiberglass in the outside here, making it much longer. So you can see it takes less than half the time to complete these flares. This is the included trim that comes with the flares. One of the longest lengths, sleeping lengths available in the market. Sleeps 6 feet 8 inches. Most of the flares are 6'6". Just because you're 6'1" or 6'2" doesn't mean that a 6 feet 6 inches gonna be ample, because you gotta have 4 or 5 inch pillow space and some wiggle rooms for your toes. So being able to sleep 6'8", we feel is very important. So as you can see, even with the extra 1 inch on this side, it can clear the sliding door quite well. And we have another 1 inch extra on this side, giving you the 6 feet 8 inches sleeping lengths. Okay, so we have two versions of the flares, and we are building also a version for the Transit. These are for the Sprinters. The carbon fiber, you don't have to paint it. So it comes all finished outside. It has a clear coat. Any scratches can be removed, buffed out, and repainted. And as far as the fiberglass one, it's a little heavier than the carbon fiber, but you can match the color to your car. But the carbon fiber is what I prefer. It really stands out, makes a statement for your car, and your van is going to be a very unique and head-turning piece of art. Okay, thanks for watching. You can find us at rhinovan.com.